Trust has been headed by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and it's always a vision for him to digitalize the spiritual places, all the temples of India and entire country, to have a drive for the digitalization. And myself, let me introduce, because I have to give introduction to these two people, Somnath Dada and Pradhan Mantri ji first, then I have to give my introduction. So myself, CA Kaushal, and I am from BeyonData, and we are a Odoo Silver partner, and we are, since 2017, we are implementing Odoo in many of the organizations and companies. So this is the one of the renowned project that we are having in our portfolio, and that's why we insisted Odoo to highlight this particular case against the Odoo community during the Odoo community days. So we all know that this all heritage places are going to be revival under the leadership of Pradhan Mantri ji, PM sir, and hope you all have visited Somnath before and after or not. I just wanted to be I wanted to ask to somebody in the audience that have you visited Somnath 10 years back and now? So you have a clear idea that how much they have changed in last 10 years. So the same way they are changing the system, they are changing the entire organization like a trust as a Somnath temple. They are going to change everything, and this is the very small thing that they have done it, but it's a very big impactable thing that they have achieved right now. So this is the entire Prasad management system is on Odoo for the Somnath temple, and it is on Odoo enterprise only. So we all know that there is 1 crore, more than 1 crore of devotees are visiting Somnath temple every year. That is the crowd that they have at temple every year. They have 10 lakhs plus transaction per year for the Prasad selling and at the counters. And right now they are having a 60 plus user in the temple who are using the Odoo ERP for the Prasad management only. And right now they have activated 18 plus POS system for the selling of Prasad or giving a Prasad to the devotees. So this is the strength of Somnath Trust that I wanted to highlight, and we are catering this trust since last 2 years, and we are honored and we are very much blessed through Somnath Dada that we got a chance to implement ERP for this trust. So the very voluminous transaction, and hope we all are right now having a Shravan, and during the Shravan there is the highest number of visitors are visiting Somnath, and during that also this Odoo is working so nicely. So let's have a round of applause for Odoo that they have given this capability to cater this trust with these capabilities. So what we have implemented in Somnath that I just wanted to highlight to you, that is one, that is the inventory management system for the efficient inventory and the maximum control on inventory. Next is the point of sale that we have implemented for the streamlined of transactions and superior services. This is very important and the critical part for the Somnath Trust that they are handling. There are a lot of lines on each and every counters, and they wanted to cater those devotees or those who wanted to buy Prasad from the temple, and they don't need a time. So at a time, the waiting period has been reduced by after implementing the Odoo ERP over there, and they are very much happy that they have the sale of the Prasad is also got increased due to this, because they are able to handle lot many people due to the lesser waiting time over there. So this is the module that we have implemented. Next is the purchase module for the strategic procurement of the optimal result. This is very much important because we feel that there is Prasad में क्या होगा, but it is not like that. The volume is very much, it is a huge volume there, it is there in the Somnath Trust. So it is very much important to have a control over the procurement side over there. So that's why they have implemented the purchase module also. And the last one, which is very much important, that is the manufacturing. There is a precise manufacturing and the quality that Trust wanted to give to the devotees the right and the right quality of the Prasad to each and every devotees whoever going to buy over there. So they have control over the quality through Odoo. They have control over the manufacturing ordering process through Odoo. So everything we have implemented and it is got live also. So whenever you are going to visit Somnath, I request you to just have a buy Prasad over there, and you will see there is a bill over there from the Odoo POS. So these 4 modules right now we have implemented, and we are going to go with the more modules soon with the Somnath Trust. What value addition? So I have kept this presentation very precise because I wanted to give that what value addition we have done with the Odoo at the Somnath temple. So first, that is the manufacturing order wise cost analysis. This is very much important because they are selling laddus, the Magas laddu and the Churma laddu, right? And they wanted to keep track on the cost of a single laddu. So whenever we are going to buy one laddu, they wanted to keep track record on the single laddu. So that is available in Odoo only, and we have proven there, and this analysis, that cost analysis, they are doing on day-to-day basis, because every day the procurement price of the ghee and the flour every day going plus minus. So they wanted to keep, because Somnath Trust, as a trust, they cannot change the price of the Prasad every time, right? So it's very compulsory for them to keep record on this thing. So they have kept record on manufacturing order wise analysis. Each and every order has been analysis. Next, that I have mentioned, the Prasad quality control system. So this is very much important. They keep a quality control of each and every ghan, I can say. So every day the lot which is coming, which is manufactured for the Prasad, that is called ghan, and they have keep record on the quality control of those lots over there with the Odoo modules. Then the inventory tracking with the barcode. So this is very important because they have more than 18 plus counters over there, and many people are constantly visiting over there. So they are keeping record of their inventory through the barcoding system, that which store has a more inventory, which store has a less inventory. So everything inventory record has been kept in the Odoo only. Next, there is the product expiry tracking. This is very important part that Somnath Trust wanted when we have implemented Odoo, because there are 18 plus POS counter. One counter is using a product with a near expiry, or one counter is running so fast. So in that case, what they wanted to do, they wanted to shift a near expiry product or a Prasad to the counters which are running so fast, right? So they will be able to track those near expiry products, and they will send it to the different POS counters or encounters, so that they can sell those Prasad and it will not get wasted. So this is how they have also managed their wastage over there. Next, the real-time reporting they are getting. Before that, they are not able to track the records on real-time basis, because the flow of devotees are like constant, and if they wanted to manage this particular thing, they need a real-time reporting thing. So whenever each and every counter has a minimum stock quantity over there, they keep track record on those things. So this was, for that purpose, they are keeping this real-time reporting system. Next, Prasad management, as we have already explained to you, this entire Prasad management, that is the value addition, because from manufacturing unit to counters, and before that they have a warehouse according to the locations, and they are going to manage those Prasad in all these 3 locations. So it is very important for them to keep say for example a temple is a warehouse and there is a 4 another counters over there, so they keep stock over there also, and then they keep stock in the counter wise stock also there, so that the temple manager will be able to keep record on the prasad, that how much prasad is available for this particular warehouse. So this they are doing. Or auto ordering, so auto reordering system, this is very important. Then here they reduce their efforts from the temple, because every time they need to make a order to their manufacturing unit or to their warehouse. Here we have set a reordering quantity, so whenever the stock goes below the stock level, then it is automatically that order got generated and the manufacturing unit or the kitchen or the warehouse will automatically send those units to their units to their counters. So this is very much important part that they are using right now. The trend analysis, this is very much important, because when some important months are coming, it is very much important for them to understand the trend of the people, right, or trend of the devotees, because on every Monday they have a good crowd, on every Sunday or a long weekend they have a good crowd, in Shravan Maina they have a good devotees. So they wanted to analyze the entire trend for this particular thing, so they are right now managing those things in Odoo and the prasad production and estimation, and according to this trend they will be able to manage the prasad production over there in the Odoo. So this is the estimation that they are able to make in the kitchen, that in coming months or coming days there will be a huge rush of the devotees in the trust. So then they will be able to manage that, how to manage their kitchen and the prasad for the counters. So that's they are managing at the prasad production estimation. This is very important, that as we all know that PM sir is the chairman of this trust, and they have a dashboard. We have sent we are real time sending the data to the PM dashboard, and they also keep record of all the entire trust prasad management, and we have made the API for that, and that data has been shared to the PM dashboard directly. So that API we have shared it to them also, and the PM service and the PMO office basically keep tracking on this particular thing. And the most important thing, that is the raw material cost monitoring system. So this is very important, because there is a huge volume of procurement things, procurement of flour, procurement of ghee and everything. So that they will be able to keep record that multiple vendors are there for them, because they have a rate contract with multiple vendors, they have a multiple tendering process also. So for that they are keeping cost monitoring for which vendor has given at what price at the previous order, or now what they are quoting. So previously it is very much difficult for them to understand and see that whether it is possible. They need to go into the manual record and check the things. Now everything is available in Odoo. So these are the value addition till now that BeyondData has made for the Somnath Trust, and we are very much happy that trust is also happy, and the productivity of the trust and the trust employees are going to be increases with this particular system. So this is what we have done it at the Somnath temple. Thank you so much for having a patience. If you have any questions, then you can please ask. No questions? Done. So thank you so much Odoo, and thank you so much the entire audience for having a patience and listening to us. Thank you once again from BeyondData. Thank you.